Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing some real carbon fiber mirror covers for the C8 Corvette by Etesan. Let's get them installed and check them out. A big thank you to Etesan for providing the product for this video. These are real carbon fiber mirror covers for a C8 Corvette. They've been designed to conform to your original mirrors. They have 3 aero strakes on the side here, and they have a gorgeous carbon fiber weave throughout. On the back side you can see the raw carbon fiber, the production date, and then the very high bond tape that's going to stick them to your mirrors. And if you're wondering how much they weigh, the driver's side one is 1.7 ounces, and the passenger side is 1.6 ounces. And here under the lights I'm giving you a good look at what that carbon fiber weave looks like. It's really nicely defined, but just you wait until you see it in the sun. The first step is to really clean your mirrors thoroughly. I'm using my go-to again, which is Meguiar's Quick Detailer, and a microfiber towel. Once they were clean, I then went ahead and did a test fit. I wanted to make sure that they fit perfectly before peeling off the backing of the tape. And as you can see, they really do fit well. Before you do the install, you want to heat up the tape. I've got a heat gun here. Just go around the edges and make sure that it's nice and warm before you peel off the backing, getting ready to stick them down. Then go ahead and remove the red tape of the back edge of the mirror cover, and then just fold over the edges of the other pieces of tape. You're going to then slide the mirror cover over and stick down that back edge. Make sure the red tabs that you left folded over are visible so that you can peel them off. Once you've peeled them off, go ahead and make sure it's all stuck down firmly. And there you go, it really is as easy as that. The install video, it's one of those things, it's a no-brainer, but I wanted to give you the idea of what these actually look like, how good they look, how good they fit, and the quality of that carbon fiber weave. And as you can see, they do fit incredibly well. But here you go. In the sun, they look incredible. You really get a sense of the depth of that carbon fiber weave underneath that clear coat. As you can see, a very easy install. It's to simply peel and stick. These are real carbon fiber. It's not that printed garbage. It's real carbon fiber. It's got a 3M high bond tape on the back. You just slip them over your original mirrors, clean them first obviously, slip them over your mirrors and stick them down. You heat them up first. That makes the bond really strong. They look fantastic. They fit incredibly well. I don't see any issues with them at all. As you can see, they contour the mirror really nicely and they line up perfectly. Let me know in the comments below what you think to these mirror covers. Do you like them, or do you not care for stick-on accessories like this? As I say, they are real carbon fiber, so they do look really good, especially in the sun. There's a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.